Come back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. I encourage us more to share anywhere you see our video. You can see on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, anywhere you see it. And also, you subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, just press on your subscribe button. Just press it so that you get direct updates from us. And also, if you need any help or you want to contact us or for any contribution, you can drop a comment below, or you use this line. You can make use of this line. With this line, you can do three things with it. The first one, you can call us. The second one, you can WhatsApp us. And the last one, you can via Telegram. You are good to go. You're good to go. Okay. If you want to make any contribution, please, we need many things, especially board and camera also. Okay. In this video, I'll be walking you second order PDE. Before you watch this video, please make sure you watch the two previous videos, before this, which is very, very important for you to watch. And also make sure you watch your calculus. Be very good in calculus, differential calculus and integral calculus, and also first order differential calculus, differential equation, and first order and second order differential equation. And after we talk about the PDE. PDE is being known as partial differential equation. Partial differential equation. PDE. I don't have much marker. That's why I'm not writing. Sorry for that. Now let me quickly write something about its duration. Various approach to solve PDE. Various approach to solve PDE exist. One of such approach is through the consideration of earlier. Now, application is the name. Application, which is given by A of u of x plus B of u of x y plus C of u of y equals to 0. Now, at this point, you need to understand something from our second order, which is, I told you, we have auxiliary equation. You all know what is called auxiliary equation, which we declare our auxiliary equation. You all know from our second order. Now, just know there are two things that can happen here. I can depend on my statement. The statement number one, suppose y is the dominant. Y is the dominant variable. Y is the dominant variable. The auxiliary equation, which is called equation 1. Equation is if y is dominant, is a plus b of s plus c of m squared equals to 0. That is what I mean. Now it means my y is what? Dominant. It means my y is dominant variable. Now the condition 2, suppose x is the dominant variable, the auxiliary equation, which is equation 1, is am squared plus bm plus c equals to 0. Now, please take note of that. This is a very, very powerful condition when it comes to what? Second order PDE. This is very, very important. The first one is, suppose S is the dominant variable, which the auxiliary equation will be like this. We have explained auxiliary equation in our second order differential equation, which I may not be able to go deep on that. And second one is, suppose S is the dominant variable. The auxiliary equation is what is this. Please take note of that information. Now, with this, okay, that is very, very important. Okay, now with this, there are cases that can arise. There are 3 cases that can arise. I will try to do 2 if possible, if time permits me. 3 cases that can arise. Okay, which you have done that. Now, full stop. A of u of xx plus b of u of xy plus c of u of yy are equals to okay, let me just be equals to 0. Call it equation 1. Okay, call it equation 1. Now, I've told you that there are 2 things that can arrive. Okay, let me pick of S as a dominant, which I'll be having it, and okay, 1 as dominant plus B of m plus C of m squared equals to 0, which I will be having. Now, solving equation 2, which is this equation 2. Solving equation 2, I mean, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Solving equation 2, the following cases or case arise. First one, if m equals to m1 and m equals to m2. Now, it means I have different value for there, which is, we have explained that, which is known as distinct or real root. Distinct or real root. That is the case 1. That is the case 1. This is the case 1. Case 1. Now, if something like this happen, now what will you do? It means we'll be talking about it means I'll be talking about R real, which is, it must be a real, and equal, and real and not equal. Now, it means if that is the case, the solution of equation 1, which is equation 1, is, the solution of equation 1 will be u of xy equals to, I'll be talking about f bracket of x plus m1y plus, I can move on to g of s plus m2y. That is the solution, how it look like. That is very, very important. Now, with this, please, this is very important at this point. It's very important at this point. Now, that is if it's real and equal. Now, let me give a problem that will illustrate that. A problem that will illustrate that. A problem that will illustrate that very well. Now, okay, let me have a question like, solve the u of x plus 5 u of sy plus 6 u of yy equals to 0. Okay. Suppose, because I have to declare it, suppose y is dominant variable. Suppose y is dominant variable. Now, when I have something like this, I want to solve it. Solution. Now, I've told you what is called dominant variable, which is, you need to understand it very well. It means since it's dominant variable, hope you know we have 1 year and we have 5 years, we have 6 years. It means they are being represented by what? By our hand. It means they are constant. They are constant anyway. Now, which I'll be having 1 plus 5m plus 6m squared equals to 0. That's what I mean by we're declaring x as dominant variable. Which I need to solve this quadratic problem. We all know that 2 plus 2m plus 3m plus 6m squared equals to 0, which we all know that, which I'll be having m plus 2 and 1 plus 3m equals to 0. It means my m can be equals to minus 1 all over 3. Let me first start with 2. Or my n equals to minus 1 all over 3. Anyhow it is, which is I'm just solving quadratic equation. Now, since I have it, it means my u of x, y, it will be equals to f of x1. You don't need to make this. Yes. Now, what is my m1? My m1, my m2, which is, I've told you earlier, which is going to be minus 1 all over 2y, okay, plus g of that, which is x minus 1 all over 3y, which can also be written as x1 equals to f bracket of 2x minus y plus g bracket of 3x minus y. That is what we are talking about here. Now let me declare, suppose x is dominant variable. Suppose x is dominant variable. The story will change, which is I'll be having m squared plus 5m plus 6 equals to 0. Now, by solving the quadratic problem, by solving quadratic equation, I don't need this for anymore. I don't need this for now. Now, by solving the quadratic equation, which I'll be having, how do I solve this? We have m plus 2, m plus 3 equals to 0. By now, you should understand all this. M equals to minus 3. Now, it means I will proceed by having, we have our m as this, which is my u of x, y, is equals to 5 of what? X minus m1y plus g bracket of x minus m2y plus, that is plus. Now, since I have it, the story changed to something else, which I will be having, okay, it will now be what? U of xy equals to f bracket of minus x, no? Okay, it will be bracket of what is my n? I have it as, okay, now, which I'll be having, now, since, oh, sorry, I did not explain something. My dominant here is y. That is why the n is being attached to what? This. Seeing the story change, it means at this point, what I stated here is very wrong. It will be m1 of s plus y and m2 of s plus what? Y. Why? Because of what? My x become a dominant variable. That is why the story has to be changed. It means I'll be having minus 2x plus y plus g of minus 3x plus y. That is what I'm trying to say. Now, which I can rearrange this as f of y minus 2x plus g of y minus 3x. That is what I'm trying to do there. Please take note of that. Very, very important. Now, it means since I have that way, since I have it, I can now differentiate. It's time to what? To work on it, which is now it means my u. When you look out for this, it means my u, which is my u, it will be equals to tan bracket of 2x minus 1. My u to be tan bracket of 2x minus 1. Now you can now say that what, which I'm picking up this, I'm picking up that. Now it means I'll be having u of x, which you all know, we want to differentiate, we want to partial derivative of that, it will be equal to 2 sec squared bracket of 2x minus u. 6 sec squared bracket of. Now when I move on to u of xx, it will be equals to, this is somehow technical. Now here will be 4, 2, 2, 4, 4, 8 sec squared bracket of 8 sec squared bracket of 2x minus y tan 2x minus y. That is very, very important. Now that is yes. I'll move on to the y with respect of u of y. With respect of u of y, it means I'll be talking about it will be equals to minus the square, minus z squared bracket of 2x minus 2. Now, which is that, and also I'll read this. I don't read this for now. Okay. Also, I'll move on to u of y, which is u of y will be equals to 2 will come down, z square will be repeated, and 2x minus y tan bracket of 2x minus y. Okay, that is all about that. Now the last part of it, because I want to write in form of, I want to work in form of this. Which it will be u of xy, which is u of xy will be, it means the one of x, I will differentiate with respect of y. I'm also working on this with respect of y. Now it means it should be minus 4, because that is coming down. Z square will be repeated, 2x minus y tan bracket of 2x minus y. That is all about that. It means I'm just like, please, you have to be very, that's why I was begging you, you must be good on calculus, you know. I'm just playing around with my calculus now. Now what I have next is back to the equation u of x plus 5 u of xy plus 6 u of yy equals to 0. Now, which it will be what? What am I going to have here is means I'm just like playing around with their coefficients anyway. Now, this, what is my x? This is my ss. Okay. They are all constant, which is I'm having 8. I'm having 8, and also what next of x, y, which is this, it will be 5 it will be, that'll be 4, that'll be, yes, xy. Okay, which is 4, 2, which is going to be 4, 2, where is the equation? Okay, which is 4 times 5, which will be minus 20, and this will be plus 5, which is y will be 2 times 6 plus 6, which is going to be what? Equals to 0. And you see this, everything is equals to 0, which is being done. That is all. That is all, because it's homogeneous equation. That is being solved. Now, in our next video, I'll be working on the second case. I'll be working on second case of this part. You can see it's very, very simple, but make sure you are very good in calculus. Very important. Don't forget that home with further solutions academy. I encourage us more to share and subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, press on the subscribe button. And if you have any request or question, you can drop a comment below, or you contact us with this line. With this line, you can do 3 things with this. You can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and Telegram is allowed. Okay, once again, thanks for watching.